is Megan, and I am back today with a pre-Christmas in January video. So I am participating in Moira O'Reilly's Christmas in January series that is going live tomorrow, and today's video is showing you the rest, or not the rest, but the before of making the watercolor trees, if that makes sense. So like I'm making the watercolor trees, and then tomorrow I am going to come back and do the actual process video for my December daily cover page. And I think I posted a video similar to this like a month ago, and I was just not happy with the outcome of the tree that I made, and so I kept trying, and I did a little bit off camera. As you can see, the trees that are in the middle I did off camera, and then on this night I decided, okay, I'm gonna try again, and I really loved the ones that I made on this night. And I am using my Tim Holtz crayons because I lost my watercolor palette that I just picked up. It was like $5 like 10 years ago from Michael's, and I still have them, and I used that on the other watercolor trees, but I think I really enjoyed the trees that I made this night with the Distress crayons. So I am really excited with how they turned out, and what I end up doing is I am going to cut them out, and I am going to glue the little tree stub to the cutout part, and then I'm going to glue the trees to the background that I created. So here you can see I am testing out different watercolors, different colors to make the stumps, and there you can see I did one of the stumps, and then now I'm kind of trying to make another one and trying to make them more brown than like reddish. And without my watercolor palettes, it was really hard with the colors that I have, but in the end it worked out, and I really do like these two trees that I made and that I cut out that are on the right hand side. Then I'm going to, I think I'm going to cut out a couple of these trees, and I'm going to try to use those as well, but I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do it. So at this point, I am just cutting out these extra trees, and I did do a black outline on those middle ones, but I really didn't like how it looked. So I decided to cut those out, and I'm just going to glue them together, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great scrappy day. Bye.